right, Bill, so a lot to talk about in today's show. You were telling me something that we all need to make sure that we have on our insurance policies.
Right.
So tell us a little bit more about what that is.
Yeah, and again, you know, when people hear about insurance policies, they are, you know, it'll bore you to death, you know, and they're complicated, and you look at these policies and, you know, it's hard to, even me as a lawyer for 24, 25 years, it's hard to understand these policies and about, you know, what covers what and all of that. And you can get intimidated, and as a result, people a lot of times will just say, you know, just give me whatever, and they'll tell the agent, just give me whatever you think I need to have. But I will tell you right now, uninsured motorist coverage, there is no ifs, ands, and buts about it. You need it. You know, we preach about this all the time, but uninsured motorist coverage, as you see there, it essentially what it does, it covers you and your family, whether in case you're in an accident, if that other vehicle does not either A, have any insurance, or B, not enough insurance. And the good thing about uninsured motorist coverage, it follows you wherever you are, no matter what you're doing, no matter whether you're even in a vehicle. You could be walking down the street, you could be checking your mailbox, and if you get hit and injured by a vehicle that either A, does not have any insurance at all, or B, not enough insurance. And what I mean by that, not enough insurance, the minimum limits in the state of Alabama is only $25,000. If you're in a serious accident, your case is going to be worth much more than $25,000. Your medical bills are going to be much more than $25,000. So what you need to do is make sure, no matter what your situation is, if you have a vehicle, number one, you're required to have liability insurance. You are not required to have collision. Like if you've got an old car that's a clunker and it's only worth $1,500 and you don't want to have full coverage, that's fine. But keep uninsured motorist coverage no matter what, because it, again, I can't tell you how many times a week we get calls where our people are hurt in an automobile accident, and the other side you find out either A, doesn't have any insurance, or B, they have the minimum limits of $25,000. And I don't care if you have, break every bone in your body. You're not going to get any more money than what that insurance is in most situations. So you need to make sure you're protected with uninsured motorist coverage and have as much of it as you possibly can.